Today we're going to be looking at how to convert fractions to decimals. The first thing I need to do when converting a fraction to a decimal is to look whether the denominator is a factor of 10. 3/5. 5 is a factor of 10. That means it will go into 10. To convert 5 to 10, I had to times by 2. Because I've times the bottom by 2, I need to do the same operation to the top to make it an equivalent fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. Now that the fraction is out of 10, I can convert it to a decimal. To write 6/10, I have no holes and I have a 6 in the tenths column. 3/5 is equivalent to 0.6. I then complete the same with a half. 2 times 5 gives me an equivalent fraction out of 10, and because I've times the denominator by 5, I'm going to times the numerator by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 5/10 is an equivalent fraction to a half. To write 5/10 as a decimal, I have 0 holes and 5/10. However, sometimes the denominator does not go into 10. For example, 2/25. However, 25 does go into 100, so I'm going to make it an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. 25 times 4 is 100, so I have to do the same to the numerator. 2 times 4 is 8. When writing this as a decimal, I have 0 holes, no tenths, and 8 hundredths. 6/20. I think of an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. 20 times 5 is 100, so I have to do the same to the numerator. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 hundredths is written as 0.3 because I know 10 hundredths gets moved into the tenths column and I have 3 lots of 10, so that is 3/10. I could put a 0 on the end, but I don't need to because it has no value on the end of a decimal. 49/50 can be doubled to make 98 hundredths. This is written as 0.9 tenths and 8 hundredths.